So out of this new generation of reggae boys emerges a bright, impressive, and articulate young player in central defender Damian Lowe. Not only did Lowe speak freely, fluently, and philosophically about the comparisons between himself and his father, the former player Onandi Lowe. Listen.
It was never father like son, you know. People just always try to, you know, compare. I'm trying to, you know, write my own path and make my own history. Of course, he's my role model, and I'm going to, you know, try to surpass his success, you know. People, you're going to have people that talk negative and stay negative, but it's just always forward movement and positivity for me. And it's in the game. People are going to retaliate, but you have to be the mature one to know what's best and know what's best for your team, not only you, you know, because football is a team sport.
But he was even more profound in articulating the need for more home games for the reggae boys. Listen to Damian Lowe again.
I mean, it's important to have more games at home, you know, to win back the fans, because that's always the aim, you know, to have everyone behind us. The fans are calling for it. The players want it, you know, to play on home territory. I think the last game we won was against Suriname, and before that we have not won a game in the National Stadium, I think it was since 2009. So it's always a joy to come back home and play in front of the fans and to get good results.
That youth sound to me like a potential leader and spokesman for this new core of reggae boys, making some good and salient points and making them properly. So all of them people who always accost Jamaican footballers say them cannot speak, eat to the words. And I want to say a special big up, not just to Damian Lowe, but to his father, Onandi Lowe, for raising not just a good footballer, but for raising a rounded and intelligent individual. How to tell the Maverick? Not talk nothing positive. Big up Onandi Lowe.